Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how to make Ayamase stew, which is basically a sauce from Western Nigeria. Here are my ingredients. Of course, you know I'll give mine a twist. Chili pepper and my twist. Dill, basil. You need onions. Another twist, groundnut oil. It's basically made with palm oil. The main ingredients, green bell peppers. For my protein, I'll be using goat meat and tribe. I love to chop my proteins in tiny bits, chewable bits. Ghana pepper or Cameroon pepper, salt to taste, and locust beans. Now, I love mine grounded, and of course, Momo. You will also need seasoning and garlic. Garlic just makes every meal taste nicer, my personal opinion. Now, I love to use the locust beans in this form because that is how I grew up and saw my mom, my grandmom use locust beans. And I think most northern Nigerians dry and pound their locust beans into powder. In my opinion, it tastes nicer. Let's go right into this. So you want to start by boiling your proteins. Tribes and goat meat have been nicely chopped to chewable bites, or more pre-boiled. And because I like protein soft in Nigerian sauces, I add a bit of salt and seasoning. Then to make it tasty, I added a bit of the Cameroon pepper. Now, because I like protein soft, I prefer to cook in pressure pots. Then this sauce is not a smooth paste, so you will need a food processor. Into the food processor, I bring in the combination of my chili peppers, bell peppers, green, of course, my garlic and basil, then of course the dill. Now you blend all of this together until it's broken in tiny bits, pieces, as you can see through the blender. Basically you want it to look like this. That's it. Now, bleaching oil produces a lot of trans fats, which is not good for you. That is why I added groundnut oil and I slightly bleached it. Slightly. But man, you're supposed to like bleach it for like 20 minutes. Fry your onions into your bleached oil. I sieved the bell peppers to remove the juice from it. Your sauce is not a runny sauce, so you want to be careful. Now, about Ayamase sauce. Ayamase stew got its name from a Yoruba man's wife. His name was Mashe. After you fry your onions, you want to bring in your bell pepper mix and fry it for about 15 to 20 minutes. She wasn't making the sauce for her husband, guys. She was making it for her lover. Her creativity brought about developing this recipe. Well, today I will be making this recipe for my family. After you add all of this, you want it to fry for 10 minutes. Then you bring in your daddawa, iru, locust bean. Then to this mix, I had about 20 bell peppers. You want to use 1 tablespoon of the dawa, locust bean, and about 4 cubes, 2 to 4 cubes of seasoning, depending on your preference. Then a pinch of salt. I'm doing a pinch of salt because in my protein I already have salt. So, like I say, all ingredients and their quantity are all adaptable to your preference. Then of course, I bring in another spoonful of Cameroon pepper. The reason why I did not use red peppers, I don't want it to change the color. Then you bring in your boiled protein and allow it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. The whole of this meal is ready in like 35 to 40 minutes. And voila! Our Ayamase stew is ready. Some people love to add boiled hard eggs into theirs. I don't. That is why it's not pictured here. Please feel free to add hard-boiled eggs. Now, this sauce is just the loveliest sauce you can ever imagine. Look at how beautiful this is. Imagine how it tastes. Now you can pair this with rice or yams or anything you like to pair it with. But guys, you do not want to miss out on this sauce called Ayamase. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. I'll just basically do my best to show you recipes that you can recreate. I hope you will do that. Please feel free to like this video. Leave me a comment or two about what you think of my twist to Ayamase stew. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Please take care of yourselves. Bye. Mwah.